Now, as the world celebrates Usain Bolt's records, it was time to remember another athlete, Terry Fox from Canada, who died of cancer. In his memory, the Terry Fox Run is held across the world every year. Now, for the first time ever, Chennai played host to this run, and it's solely the initiative of a young cancer patient undergoing treatment in the city. Sanjay Pinto has this report.
My big thanks to all.
Not for medals or records, but for a cause. Chennai's trot against cancer. And it's because of this teenager. Akash Dubey had been participating in the run in Dubai every year to raise awareness about cancer. Just a few months ago, he himself was diagnosed with the disease. But he is fighting back. And how? By organizing the run in Chennai, where he's undergoing treatment.
Well, it's about research, definitely, to collect donations for research, but it's also very much about awareness, spreading awareness about the run, getting people to know, because early detection really helps with curing if you get this disease.
Akash has been running for this Terry Fox Run since the age of 11, and this year when the run was there in Dubai in February, he was in the hospital bed, so all of his friends were going and he was feeling left out. And he felt a little sorry for himself. And one day he woke up suddenly and he said, I am not going to be afraid of cancer all my life.
Till now, the run has been organized only in Mumbai and Delhi. But this young boy's great has moved the Terry Fox Foundation, which allowed him to organize the event in Chennai.
See, some marathons you run for race, for timing, for personal records, but this is something that you run for a cause.
The money collected will be sent to the Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai for cancer research. But more than the funds, it's the infectious spirit of this young lad that sends out hope to others to battle the disease. With camera person Sukumar, with Sanjay Pinto in Chennai, Ankush Arora, NDTV.
Tuba.com